So it's great to see people giving us positive feedback in our videos. We very much put emphasis on educating people about infrared and the benefits to infrared heating. Let's have a look at that piece again. Why should you install infrared? Well, electricity is the future of heating. Electricity is the future. They don't want us using oil and gas. When I say they, it's not government policy. Steering us towards electric and renewable energy. So why would you install infrared heating over the likes of other types of electric heating, be the convector wall heater or the heat pump? Well, if you look at infrared and what it has going for it is that now there is various quality of infrared on the market. We're talking about Infrared Heating Ireland panels, which is controlled using our IR Sun control pad. And then our infrared panel has a 15-year guarantee, which is excellent. All our gear is made in Europe. The software, everything is made in Europe. So it's from when the factory to when it gets into your home. We think about carbon footprint. We think about the product in terms of it being recycled. So all our goods are 90% recyclable. Where we can, it's a sustainable. We use chemical-free powder coating. We use natural sheep's wool inside the heater. So for customers, they love to hear this, that our product is sustainable. Why would you install infrared over the heat pump? Well, the capital cost is a lot less to install infrared over the heat pump. So there's the first big advantage. So you have more money in your pocket. You have no moving parts. So over that lifespan, you're not paying a plumber, an engineer to come out to fix anything because there's no moving parts in it. So once the system goes in, there's no other cost involved. It has a 35-year lifespan, whereas a heat pump is a 20-year lifespan. So within that 20 years, you're going to have, sensors going, circulating pumps, all that goes with it. There's a lot of moving parts, so you have to keep that in mind, that once your infrared system goes in, that there's no other costs involved. It comes with a 15-year guarantee, so you have peace of mind. Anything goes within 15 years, we simply replace that for you. We're happy to give 15-year guarantee because the product doesn't give trouble. Why else would you install a heat pump? Well, you have full controllability of it. You have one of these control pad in each room or each zone, which means that if you are working from home during the day and you want to turn on the heating in that room, you can. If, like Ireland, the weather is up and down, you can control the heating by turning on the heaters you want to turn on. It's instant heat into the room. Another advantage is we've seen a lot of flooding, heavy rain, a lot of flooding in different parts of Ireland and across Europe. Whereas, and if you have all your heating system on the floor, I know it's a simple thing, but all your heating system on the floor, and water gets at it, it's done, dusted. Whereas with the infrared, all the gear is above, so you have a panel on the ceiling, your control pad around 1.4 meters off the floor, which means, crazy that we need to think about this, but if your house floods, you don't have any problem because your heating is above and not affected. So that's another big advantage. Another advantage is that we probably don't emphasize enough, and that's the health benefits of infrared. So with infrared, so you have two types of heating. You have convection heating, which is a radiator on the wall, or you have your underfloor heating, which also works by convection, which means warm air rises. It's 2 degrees warmer towards the ceiling than it is on the floor. But with the infrared, you have a consistent heat throughout the room. There's less dust particles in the air, so if somebody is quite sensitive to dust particles, they'll find that with the infrared it's more of a natural heat. So we use infrared and infrared sauna. We use infrared therapy for sports injuries. People do hot yoga because the infrared is good for the human body. It's like we love going out in the sun as well. And all these advantages with the sun is also bringing, like, sounds a cliche, but you're bringing the sun into your home, which means it's a lovely, natural, comfortable heat inside in the house. So we've listed off a few advantages as to why you should look at infrared. So if you're looking to get away from oil and gas, and maybe you want to do out 1 or 2 rooms, you can do out the full house. We're selling infrared since 2010. We've over 100 Google reviews online. So it's not a case now that we have to somewhat prove that this is a successful heating system. It is a successful heating system with many happy clients. So for more information, do check out our YouTube channel. We have a Facebook page called Infrared User Experiences Ireland, so people can go on there, that are using the system and tell other members their feedback. And also, if you're new to infrared, you can go on there as well. So it's a great page. Also YouTube, and do get in touch and we can put together a package for you. By the way, we also install our product as well. So we're not only supplying the kit, we're also doing the installation as well. So that's a complete package solution we can offer. So for more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie. Have a great day.